Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Well, guys, thank God it is Friday. Absolutely for sure, because have we ever seen some major topsy-turvy movement in this space this week? And what really is funny and actually blows me away is when retail's crying, institutions are buying. Guys, you cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. Here we have a situation where the Senate could have literally worked through the weekend and perhaps even got that Clarity Act passed. Of course, John Kennedy saying, hey, they put a vote like that up before us. I'm voting for it that we stay here and get our work done. Well, of course, that didn't happen, and they punted the whole thing, kicked it down the road. A few more weeks, guys, only really just a few more weeks into September where they will vote on it. Now, I want to get something right clear right now. So I have always come out and said, hey, I believe when they vote on this thing, 100%, I believe this thing is getting approved. And what we got now is just a delay tactic. And I've come out and said, hey, look, if I'm wrong on the fact when they vote on this thing, and if it doesn't pass, I will literally eat my own words, write them right on a nice big juicy onion there and bite that thing down. Absolutely, I will do that. But guys, they haven't voted on it yet. They just kicked the can down the road a little bit. That's a whole lot different. I still believe this thing is going to pass when they do vote on it. But the thing is this. Right now, of course, retail is just being fleeced. They are fleeing like crazy. And guess who is out there buying? You have got it. It is institutions, and the stats that are showing up on Binance. Institutions in there buying it up like crazy and taking it right off the exchange. What does that tell you, guys? When whales want to dump, what they'll do is they'll load up the exchange wallets, isn't it? Just getting ready for a little pump, and then bang, they're going to dump it. Well, guys, that's not what they're doing. They're gobbling it up, and they're buying all the fear that they can, and they're putting it right down there, taking it off exchange into their own cold storage, in their institutional grade custodians and all this and that. And I was talking to Versan Algera, my very good friend. Him and I, we've been close for a long time, years really. And Versan, by the way, I was at his wedding and all this kind of stuff, so we're close. And him and I were talking today, and he was talking about how, right now they are just pushing this whole thing down till they are going to drive the rates to zero and watch the liquidity pump come, and then the massive dump happen from there. And on top of that, he ended up posting that very conversation on SUBSTACK, and I got a link to the article right down in here for you to read it for yourself. This is what's going down, guys. Most of retail, you're getting played. You are getting played big time because they love the song and dance. And the thing is this, they have been doing this for decades, so they know that it works. And that's the saddest part. I am so grateful that you guys, you're sitting down, you're tuning in, and you're paying attention, because I believe that if you're able to do that and you can weather these storms, you are going to ride this thing to literally a life change. I really do believe it, because there is zero doubt in my mind that we are going to be transitioned into this new digital economy. And I'm telling you what, I believe it's going to happen way faster than what a whole lot of people think, because of just where we are in the world right now. You have got a situation out there with this whole thing going down. Have you noticed the news dying down about this whole Strait of Hormuz stuff, all that? Not hearing too much in the last few days, are you? How they're just kind of ironing things out and this and that. Meanwhile, in the background, the Fed has been bailing out the Japanese yen like crazy, interfering in that whole trade. Now, why in the world would they do that? Think about it. Why would they do it? Because, guys, the consequences of that whole Japanese carry trade unwinding to the degree, I'm telling you what, would be catastrophic to these Western markets. The liquidations that would happen, the margin calls, you name it. It would be literally a cascading effect. And that, guys, even though the Fed is out there doing it, they're still struggling against that. And that's why you're hearing nothing but crickets. And the reason is because when it all falls down, they need to have somebody to lay the blame on, right? Do you think that they're going to take responsibility? Oh, no. In fact, when the whole thing burns down, the very ones that set the fire are going to be the ones that show up with the hose and say, hey, we got a solution. Here it is. Oh, my goodness. I know this is bad, but I'll tell you what, if you will just voluntarily transition into this new digital system that we have been working on the background just in case a situation like this came up, well, then we can take care of you. Oh, yes, we've got universal basic income. Oh, we got this. Oh, we got that. I'm telling you guys, it is a trap. It is a road to slavery, and they want you on it. That is for sure. And that's why I believe that getting invested in these protocols right now could literally be the salvation that most people are going to need in a situation like that, because I believe that this is going to translate into the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind that the world has ever seen. In fact, the transition is so significant. We have not seen a monetary shift like this since the invention of coin. Just think about that, guys. How massive that is, and how much of the world is going to change because of it. I mean, look, our IDs are all going to be digitized, all tokenized. They're literally talking about the tokenization of real world assets, all of the markets to be tokenized. The Depository Trust and Clearing Corp, I mean, come on, they do trillions of dollars of value a day. They have already come out and said they're going to utilize the Stellar blockchain to facilitate the tokenization of that. Are you listening? That is the point. Or are you listening to the noise and the static and getting all caught up and all worked up and oh my goodness and on and on and on, and the fear and the uncertainty and the doubt that they are flooding the system with is obscene. But that's what's going on. And these politicians, I'm telling you what, they're all in on it as far as I'm concerned. There is no way, no how that any of these senators don't realize just how vital it is for this Clarity Act to actually get passed, and that's why I believe they are going to pass it. What they did here is provide a little reprieve, kick it down the road till September so they can hammer out all their little backroom deals and scratch each other's backs like they do and all that kind of stuff. And then when they come to vote on it, boom, it's going to go forward, guys. They need it. They have to have it. It is truly amazing when you see all that's going on. And the fact that you got major institutions, now we are talking about millions, if not billions of dollars in purchased XRP that these guys are stacking like crazy. What do they know that you don't know, that I don't know? I'm thinking a whole lot. And of course, like I said this morning, most of us can't be whales, but I'm stacking my pennies next to their dollars. I'm not following their advice. I'm following their behavior. Guys, when in doubt, you have got to zoom out and you've got to get out there and truly research this stuff. Research it, research it, research it, and get yourself ready for what's coming, because when it happens, man alive, I'm going to tell you what, you won't catch it. You won't catch it. I've been there. This is the third bear market that Judy and I have been through. And I can tell you right now, when the thing takes off, it's when folks least expect it, and bang, it is gone, and you are not catching it. I mean, we sat there literally watching Binance Exchange listed assets go literally hundreds of percent in hours and thousands of percent in days. It happened. And in fact, it changed our lives. It was something we would have never expected. Look, we put a little bit of money into Cardano at the time. 3,900 bucks, something like that, because Cardano was like 3 or 4 cents. We wanted 100,000 tokens. Do you realize when that thing took off when the dust all settled, Cardano was at $3.10. I mean, that was a 100x return, 10,000%, and it happened. It happened, and that was just one. I think the whole bunch of them are just going to go nuts. I believe it could be the strongest bull market, that alt season, by the way, that we have ever seen in this space. Now, that's my 100% biased opinion, like I encourage you to do. Get out and research it. But if you're investing in this space, for goodness sakes, utilize the tools that are going to put you at least in pole position to really capitalize on what happens. Because I'll tell you what, you try to get on these exchanges when the volume is going nuts, whether it's up or down, normally, and what we've experienced in the past, the servers go down. And how many people have not been able to execute their plan because they could not even sign on? And that is why, when back in 2020, Judy and I, we were listening to, I think it was BitBoy, I think it was Ben Armstrong. I believe that's what and he was talking about Caleb and Brown. We signed up with Caleb and Brown way back then, been with them ever since. And I'll tell you what a comfort it is to pick up the phone when it is mayhem and be able to get a hold of your broker or just send an email and have access to the markets when a majority of people don't. That's a big deal. And I'll tell you what, guys, that can really make this is what I would suggest. You need to research it for yourself. Don't just leave it to chance. And we got a link at the bottom in the description of this video for Caleb and Brown if you want to sign up with them, or just go to their website. But either way, you need to give it a look. Now, another one is UPTRADE, because there are jurisdictions around the wide world that don't have access to Caleb and Brown. And UPTRADE is another broker we have partnered with where they provide, that one-on-one, relationship with a broker. Doesn't cost you a penny, by the way, to open up accounts with these guys, and institutional grade custody. Guys, you owe it to yourself to take a look at that, and of course, defeat the tax man. Judy just did an amazing video with Bryce Nielsen there of iTRUST Capital yesterday afternoon. And if you haven't seen it, go watch that, because I'll tell you what, one of the most streamlined, plans that you can have, strategies for tax savings, is a Roth IRA. If you want to take a little bit of your cash and put it into one of those and start buying up some XRP and leave it in there, because a lot of people say they're not going to sell for 4 or 5 years, and that thing is literally in the atmosphere. Zero capital gains. Guys, you can't beat it. And not only that, you open up an account and put a few bucks in there, they're going to give you $100 just for opening that thing. That is truly wild. You open it, you fund it, you get $100, add it to your stack. Guys, amazing things happening, to be sure. And until tomorrow, Saturday, we're going to have our Saturday question and answer. Of course, sugar on Sunday, great nuggets of encouragement. Guys, I sure hope you have a fabulous one, and take care.